Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Straight up.
Keep jerking, bro.
Alright,
Watch out.
I'll get back. Straight up. Curl in, curl in, curl in, curl in. Straight up. Up. There you go. Hey, that wheel right there is broke completely in half.
Nice. Got Jimmy Dean's race chassis here. Many of you have definitely seen the roll that he just did over the weekend, but got to go in here, cut it off here, replace this whole front section, cut it off there, cut it off there. Go in here, replace these upper A-arm tabs, take off the lower A-arms, they're definitely bent. Change all 4 wheels and tires because they're all trashed. I'm sure some of it's savable though. Tie rods look good, the upper A-arms look good. This upper A-arm, it just messed up the bolts. They sheared off or something. But this wheel completely broke in half all the way around it. Gotta go in here, pull the transmission out, get it over to Jay Wilson and get that fixed. And gotta go through here and fix some tubes. Some tubes have cracked a little bit just from how many times it's been on its lid, but we'll get it fixed up. He's got another race in I believe 3 weeks that we'll get him ready for. This is another rig that someone else built, and the owner crashed, and I just got to fix it up. But we'll be fixing this cage, cutting out this tube from here to there. Gonna go ahead and replace this upper tube. It's all smashed in. Replace this center roof tube. It's flat spotted right here. Really with these cages leaning back so far on the Turbo S's when they go leaning them back, and pretty much any Pro XP, Turbo R, Pro R, all should have A-pillar supports. So we're going to go ahead and put A-pillar supports in it and get it where it's nice and strong. Get him all patched up and back together using whatever we can use of the old stuff. Don't have to build it new. We also do repairs also, so if you have anything that needs looked at or whatever, just get on the schedule, get with me, and we'll get figured out. Whether it's chassis repairs or full body, just let me know.